Bummed that shoulder pain keeps returning? Are you tired of pinching overhead, stiff knots, or waking in pain when you're trying to sleep on your side? Do you want to swing a club or throw without a painful reaction? We specialize in adhesion release for long-term shoulder injuries. Are you ready? Book a consult. Today we're going to talk about shoulder motion and shoulder health. What we want is our arms to be able to get all the way up to our ears. In fact, we'd like to not only get to our ears, but be able to bring our hands together and then shrug up without any pain or discomfort. And you've probably seen people as time goes by where, we start to get pulled into this forward posture. Well, this is not good posture, and if you try to raise your arms up, this is a struggle for me to do, and this is not good. So whenever we work with someone that has a shoulder problem or a neck problem, we need both the shoulder and the neck, our neighbors, to get along and work together very well. So this, smooth and easy, everybody's happy with one another. And then if we end up in a worse posture and then try to go up, this is already an angry neighborhood. And go ahead. So as we check the shoulder motion, overall the movement's really good. We want to be able to get our arms to our ears against the head, and then also want to see how the body creates that motion. So this space here is good, but we have this shoulder hiking up some, and therefore we can see this space is a little bit less than what we're seeing on the other side. So there's a little work to do to clear out the shoulder itself, or the glenohumeral joint, relative to the scapula.